Hello friends, this is Bilal and you are watching Bilal Mobiles RYK YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove activation lock from iPhone, iPad and iPod Touch without previous owner without Apple ID and password. So guys, without wasting any time, let's start the video. You can see appears on screen my iPhone is stuck on activation lock. So guys, how to fix this issue? Go back to home screen. You can see appears on screen laptop screen. Search, open the Chrome browser app on your laptop or PC. You can see appears on screen Google browser is open. I am already open. You can see appears on screen search bar, search TenorShare. You can see appears on screen TenorShare. TenorShare official site. This video is sponsored by TenorShare official. Open the first link. You can see we focus on smartphone solutions. Scroll down. You can see appears on screen WhatsApp data transfer for me key, bypass for you key, unlock. Tap on for me key to get on my iPhone. You can see appears on screen TenorShare for me key, safe to remove iCloud activation lock, easier than ever. Remove fast remove iCloud activation lock without password and Apple ID. You can see appears on screen turn off find my iPhone touch without password. You can see fully supported iPhone 5s to iPhone X with iOS 12 to iOS 14. Simple free download. You can see appears on screen free download. I am already downloaded. Open, go back to home screen. You can see appears on screen for me key. Open for me key. You can see appears on screen. Please select a feature. Select remove iCloud activation lock. You can see appears on screen remove iCloud activation lock. Tap on start. Tap on again start. You can see appears on screen. Please connect your device to computer with USB cable. You can see appears on screen connecting to the device. Please wait. Download the jailbreak tool. Please wait a moment. It will take some seconds to wait. Connect the USB drive to your PC or laptop and make bootable USB for jailbreak. You can see tap on start. Tap on yes. Install the jailbreak tool to the USB flash drive. It will take some seconds to wait. You can see appears on screen. Install the jailbreak tool device. Done. You can see appears on screen command. I am using HP. Restart my laptop or PC. It will take some seconds to wait. Restart your PC and press F9. I am using HP. You can see appears on screen. Select USB. Enter. It will take some seconds to wait. Tap on select option. Select allow. Back to, you can see appears on screen start. Tap on start. Okay. Tap on next. It will take some seconds to wait. iPhone put in recovery mode. You can see iPhone put in recovery mode. Press volume down and power button. Release the power button. And release volume button. It will take some seconds to wait. You can see appears on screen. iPhone is jailbroke. You can see appears on screen. iPhone is jailbreak successfully. Tap on done and restart the PC again. After restart your PC, you can see appears on screen open for me key software in my laptop. You can see appears on screen select remove iCloud activation lock. Remove iCloud activation lock. Tap on start. You can see appears on screen. Tap on next. Connecting to the device, please wait. You can see appears on screen. iPhone is enter also in recovery mode. It will take some seconds to wait. You can see appears on screen confirm device information. Device is iPhone 7 iOS 14.6 IMEI serial number. Tap on start. Removing iCloud activation lock. Please be patient. Wait 30 seconds to removing. You can see appears on screen the iCloud activation lock has been removed successfully. Tap on go back. It will take. You can see appears on screen data and privacy. Tap on continue. Tap on don't use. Tap on passcode. Tap on don't use. Tap on don't use. Select don't transfer. Don't use Apple ID. Tap on next. Tap on continue. 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 Tap on continue. Continue. Tap on continue. You can see appears on screen welcome to iPhone. Tap on get started. You can see appears on screen remove activation lock without previous owner and Apple ID password. That's it. If the video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.